Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Yes.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes,
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good noon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon. Hope all of you had lunch.
No, sir.
Yeah,
No, sir.
No, sir, not yet.
Who said no?
Me, sir.
Oh, what's the time, madam?
2:48, sir.
2:40.
8, sir.
Oh. What time you will have lunch usually?
3:30, sir.
It is early for lunch. Jivita? Jivita, what's your lunch time, by the way? 5 p.m. Hey, madam, that is not lunch, okay?
Catch time.
What is that? Snack time, Alba Tanushree?
Yes, sir. Snack.
What will you have for snacks in the evening today?
Today, chocolate is there, sir. Chocolate is there.
Hotel ready, stock ready irutte.
Yes, sir.
Jivita, that's not a good habit. Huh? 5 p.m. is not a good time. Okay? Change your timings if possible. Tanushree ಅವರೇ
Yes,
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ
sir.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Sir, if A into 1 plus 1 by B plus 1 by C.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳೋದು
16, sir.
16 ಅಲ್ವಾ? A into 1 by
1 by B
1 by
plus
C,
1 by C.
B into
B into 1 by C plus 1 by A.
C
C into 1 by A plus 1 by B.
R in
AP.
ಓಕೆ, ಏನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಫೈನಲಿ? ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು?
Sir, arrange ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes,
ನಾಟ್
sir.
ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು, ನನಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದು. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಈಸಿಯರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ ತನುಶ್ರೀ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ತನುಶ್ರೀ ಇದನ್ನ?
Yes, sir. Minus.
A by B plus A by C. ಓಕೆನಾ?
Yes,
B
sir.
by C plus B by A. Next, C by A plus C by B. Will you agree these numbers are still in AP?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me ask you one simple explanation. 2, 3, 4. Are these numbers in AP?
Yes, sir.
2, 3 numbers are in AP, alva?
Yes, sir.
2 plus 1, comma 3 plus 1, comma 4 plus 1. Are these numbers are also in AP?
Yes, sir.
Original number ಗೆ 1 add ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. 1 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3, 4, 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If these are in AP, will you agree these numbers are also in AP?
Yes, sir.
So that means when 3 numbers are in AP and if I add 1, the resultant number also will be in AP.
Yes, sir.
ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ A by B plus A by C, that's okay.
Yes,
ಏನು
sir.
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿದಕ್ಕೆ?
Plus 1 add ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, sir.
I should add 1 for each term ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 second. No, A by BC. 1 second. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ, ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇರೋ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬದಲು LCM ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ LCM here? BC.
BC.
So A into, so shall I say C plus B?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, B into A plus C divided by CA.
Yes, sir.
C into A plus B divided by AB. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
ಇವಾಗ ಇದು AC plus AB divided by BC. That's fine. BA
Okay,
plus BC divided by CA. ಆಮೇಲೆ CA plus CB divided by AB. That's fine.
Yes, sir.
ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋ the numbers are in still AP only, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
Yes.
ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Let me add 1 for each number. Will you agree the resultant number are still in AP?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's going to be AC plus AB divided plus 1 divided by BC. Next one, BA plus BC divided by CA plus 1. ಆಮೇಲೆ CA plus CB divided by AB plus 1. These numbers are in still AP only?
Yes, sir.
What happens if on taking LCM? Will this be AC plus AB plus BC divided by BC?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ BA plus BC plus CA divided by CA?
Yes, sir.
CA plus CB plus AB divided by AB?
Yes, sir.
These numbers are still AP only?
Yes, sir.
LCM ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಾನೇ?
Yes, sir.
What is common in numerator, Tanushree? Careful ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ. Is this AB plus BC plus CA?
Yes, sir.
This is also AB plus BC plus CA?
Yes, sir.
This is also AB plus BC plus CA?
Yes, sir.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ AB plus BC plus CA ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ?
Yes.
So divide by AB plus BC plus CA. Each term is divided by AB plus BC plus CA. What will be the resultant number?
1 by BC, 1 by CA,
1 by AB. Can I say these numbers are still AP only?
Yes, sir.
ಏನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, AP ನೇ, ಅದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಾನೇ?
Yes, sir.
One last step. Multiply each term by ABC ಇವಾಗ.
Yes.
ಇವಾಗ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ABC divided by BC, ABC divided by CA, ABC divided by AB. ಇಲ್ಲಿ BC ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. What's the remaining? A. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A ಮತ್ತೆ C ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What's the remaining? B. ಇಲ್ಲಿ AB ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. What's the remaining? Have I got the required result?
Yes, sir.
Which is easy?
This one only, sir.
Not just to Tanushree. Now I want everyone to just analyze this, okay, and then make a note. If you feel this is easy, please make a note, otherwise don't do it. Got it? ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, it's up to you.
Sir, ನಂಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
Yes sir, please carry on. No objection. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ, if anybody feels that this method is easy ಅಂದ್ರೆ note down. What was the last sum I stopped at? 16, huh?
Yes, sir.
So 17 1 ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಾದ್ರೆ. Okay. ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಇದು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ I will wait. Otherwise, please say it's clear. I will continue with the next sum.
Wait, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Yeah, no problem. I will wait. ನೀವು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 17 ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. If all of you have finished, please mention problem number 17. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Please mention everybody. Right. So let me explain the 17th problem. Okay. See 17th alli A, B, C, D. They said that these numbers are in GP. By using this, okay, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ರೈಟ್, ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 4 numbers are in GP. Common ratio should be same ಅಲ್ವಾ? So B by A is equal to C by B is equal to D by C. ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ರೈಟ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ I will equate the first and the second. So first and the second equate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ? B square is equal to AC ಬಂತು. Next second and third equate ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. On equating these two, I'm going to get C square is equal to BD. Second and third equate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ first and third and equate ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. These three I'm going to equate. So ಮೂರು ಸಲ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3. Okay, right. So when I equate these two, I'm going to get AD is equal to BC. So let me just take 1, 2, 3. Right. ಈಗ ಇರಲಿ, ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಇರಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ I'm going to use this later. What is my required thing? Okay, now to show that yeah, ಎಲ್ಲ n ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? Yeah, fine. A par n plus B par n, comma B par n plus C par n, comma C par n plus D par n. These three numbers are in GP. We already know that if three numbers are in GP, right, then B square general ಆಗಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. A, B, C are in GP, then we know that B square is equal to AC. So ಈ ಮೂರು ನಂಬರ್ GP ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, okay, then B par n plus C par n the whole square should be equal to square of the middle number should be equal to product of the first and the last should be equal to A par n plus B par n C par n plus D par n. ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು. ಸೊ ಇದು LHS ಅಂತ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ LHS B par n plus C par n the whole square. It is just like A plus B the whole square. So expand ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, so B to the power 2n plus C to the power 2n plus 2 times ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಇದನ್ನ? B par n C par n ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? Right. Now I need space, so let me just take this. ಈಗ just rewrite this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, B square whole power n ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, C square whole power n 2 times B par n C par n ಇದೆ, B par n C par n plus B par n C par n split ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. Then look at here, B square is nothing but AC. So B square replace ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, C square is nothing but BD. Right. So let me just replace it here. So the first term B square ಅಂದ್ರೆ AC whole power n ಆಯ್ತು. C square is nothing but BD whole power n plus, look at here, careful ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, B par n C par n ಎರಡಿದೆ, one term BC. Okay, BC whole power n ಅಲ್ವಾ? BC is nothing but AD. So ಇದನ್ನ replace ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Okay, so this is BC can be written as AD whole power n. First three terms you have to make a replacement by using equation number 1, 2, 3. Okay, the last term you retain as it is, plus B par n C par n. Now let me expand this. Okay, just I want something common, so it's a grouping here. So A par n C par n plus A par n D par n. I'm grouping these two and these two. Okay, plus my second term will be B par n D par n plus B par n C par n. Why it is arranged like this? I can take common between these two and I can take common between these two. So what's the common between the first and the second? A par n is common, so C par n plus D par n sigutte, plus between the next two, B par n can be taken common, D par n plus C par n can be taken common. Now observe once again, this is common in both, so take the common. C par n plus D par n common tagoli. So what is the remaining here and here? A par n plus B par n, which is nothing but the RHS. So I started with the LHS of my required condition and I got the RHS. So before copying or before noting down, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡಿ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇರೋರು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದಪ್ಪ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಎ ಹರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ. Please mention the next number if you're done with this. Done. Shall I start the next one? Everybody, please mention.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so problem number 18 we have to start. So if A and B are the roots of the first equation, C and D are the roots of the second equation, where A, B, C, D form a GP, finally prove that some condition ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So ನೋಡೋಣ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So let's see how to solve this. Mr. Stalin, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Morning you asked me one problem. I told you to just try that once. Did you try it?
No, sir, I didn't.
ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ sir, by evening I'll show it to you.
No, see, I have not tried, man. So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಂತಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. So that's why I said you work out and then let me know ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ.
Okay, sir, I'll do it by today evening, sir.
Let's see. Okay, now here, what is the first equation?
X square minus 3x plus b is equal to 0.
What are the roots of this? What is the roots of this equation?
A and b.
A and b, right? So what is the formula to find out sum of the roots?
Minus b by a.
Can you apply here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please tell me.
A plus b is equal to
Yeah,
minus of minus 3 by 1.
that's okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. And product of the roots?
C by a.
Yeah, c by here will it be p?
C by a is a p.
Right. So let me just take this as equation 1. Okay. Then Amel barkodana. Right. What is the second equation?
X square minus 12x plus q is equal to 0.
Okay. Can you apply the same concept here? C and D are the roots.
Is equal to 12, sir.
Okay. Fine. Then.
C into d is equal to q, sir.
Right. Okay. Fine. Now they have said something about A, B, C, D. Can you please repeat?
They form a GP, sir. A, B, C, D form a GP.
So they form a GP. How can I take my numbers as? I want 4 numbers in GP. Can you take the standard form?
Sir, A by R square. A by R.
In terms of Excel solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು. So in terms of Excel ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. Okay. So let me consider A is equal to X. Then what will be B? XR ತಗೊಳ್ಳ? That's okay.
Okay, sir.
A ಬೇಡ. A is been already used. So you don't consider A once again.
Okay.
Right. Okay. Now what I will do here, okay, I will substitute this back in equation number 1 and 2. What happens to equation number 1? Hello, mister, can you speak?
Yes, sir.
ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ? Okay, equation 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ?
XR square plus XR cube.
XR square plus XR cube is equal to.
12.
Let me call this as equation 4.
Yes.
The whole picture is to find X and R.
Okay.
So many equations I'm having here. How can I find out X and R? You tell me.
Sir, dividing 4 and 3, sir.
Dividing 4 and 3. Okay. So 4 by 3. What will happen to this one now? XR square common ತಗದ್ರೆ 1 plus R ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ X common ತಗದ್ರೆ 1 plus R ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So that is 12 by 3. That's going to be 4. 1 plus R, X get cancelled. R square equal to 4. So what should be R?
Plus or minus 2.
So R is equal to plus R minus 2. Yeah, that's fine. R we got it. How to find out X value?
Substitute in
Yeah, tell me where to substitute.
equation 3.
Yeah. But there are 2 cases.
Yes, sir.
So I should go different case. Okay. So case number 1. Let R is equal to 2. Substitute in 3. What happens to equation number 3 then? X, right? X ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. X into 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3, 3 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Will X be equal to 1?
Yes, sir.
When R equal to 2, X will be 1. Correct, right?
Yes.
Then can you just look at what is the meaning of AB here? What does B stand for?
The second root, sir.
No, what is here? What does A stand for? What does B stand for?
X and XR.
So let me do one thing. Let me take this as some equation number has to be given, right? Capital A ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. Let me just take this as capital B.
Okay.
Otherwise it will be confusing, right? So I already know that A is equal to X and B is equal to XR. Correct, right?
Yes.
See, to find out P, I should find AB and I know X and R. So what is A value now? 1. And what is B value?
2.
So what is AB according to equation A? AB is equal to P, correct?
Yes, sir.
This implies P equal to what?
2.
I got P. How to find out Q?
Sir.
Stalin, how to find out Q?
Sir, C into D, sir. C is XR square and D.
Where it is present, you tell me, sir, exactly. How to find out Q anta ಕೇಳಿದೆ.
Substituting the values of X and R in equation B.
In equation B. So by using this equation, I'm going to find out Q. After finding P and Q, I'm going to get the required thing. Okay. All of you, please make a note. It's not yet done. It's not yet completed. Note down till here. If anyone is having a doubt, please let me know. I can clear that.
sir.
Yes, madam.
Sir, can you repeat from that case one, sir, after finding the R value?
See, after finding R value, see, Akshara, the whole concept is to find out P and Q.
Yes, sir.
P is AB.
Yes, sir.
And Q is CD.
Yes, sir.
But what does A have taken as? A is equal to X have taken?
Yes, sir.
So what I will do is, I will find out A, B, C, D in terms of X and R.
Okay, sir.
So X ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, R ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಎರಡೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ? You substitute in this AB.
Okay, sir.
AB ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? Once you
okay.
got AB, you know how to find out P. P is
Yes, sir.
but AB.
Okay, sir.
That is by using equation number A, right? So P ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ?
sir.
Over Q ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಇನ್ನು ನಾನು.
Okay.
After finding Q, I have to go to the required ratio. ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು.
Okay, sir.
So please make a note and let me continue the remaining part.
X square R power 5.
What, sir?
X square into R power 5.
Wait, ನಾನು separate ಆಗಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I'm not mixing the things. I want to find out separately. Okay. For me, X is 1 and R is 2, right? So this will be 4. Okay. And this will be 1 into 8. Right. So that is the value of Q. Q is equal to CD. And this will be 4 into 8. So that will be 32.
Yes, sir.
Right. What is the required ratio they're asking for? Q plus P divided by Q minus P. Correct, right? 32 plus 2. Correct. Then 32 minus 2. So that's going to be 34 by 30. Obviously, that is 17 by 15.
Yes, sir.
That's the required ratio, right?
Yes. Sir, what if we take R as -2?
Sir, innu ide sir. Kate innu mugdilla. Second case has to be continued.
Okay.
So second case ನಾನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ಬಿಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಕೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
Then wait, sir. It is just a case number 1 which I have just concluded. That's it. So case number 2 ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. That I was about to tell. ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Everyone finished this. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. Nothing. R equal to -2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. You take R equal to -2, find out A, find out X, and continue the same procedure and get the same answer. I want everyone to solve the second part in this. Hope you got the same answer. If so, please mention you have done it.
Yes, sir.
ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, R equal to -2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, X ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. If you have done it, please mention. If you're finished, please say done so that I can continue with the next.
Done.
Done,
Type the next
sir.
number. Type the next number. 19 type ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. Please type 19. Okay, right. Okay. Let me discuss the next one. Neha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Neha, just read the statement.
The ratio of the AM and GM of two positive numbers A and B is M is to N. Show that A is to B is equal to M plus root M square minus N
Okay,
square.
right. Now, Neha, how do you what is the arithmetic mean of A and B? Can you please tell me?
A plus B by 2.
Okay. I mean, geometric mean of A and B?
Root AB.
Correct? Right. What they have given is AM divided by GM is given as M is to N.
Sir.
What does arithmetic mean actually? A plus B by 2. Adadmele root AB is equal to M by N. Sari idya?
Sir.
So, idralli A plus B is equal to M into root of AB divided by 2 nu ilge shift agutte ansutte nodi. Sari idya?
Sir.
Is it okay?
Sir.
What if I square this on both sides? What if I square this on both sides? ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ square ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು sir.
So what happens if I square this on both sides? A plus B alva? Irli. Neha problem iste. Okay. Finally I have to find out A and B aste.
Okay, sir.
A and B separate I find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. A plus B is this much. By knowing A plus B, can you find A minus B?
Sir.
ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಹೇಳಿ?
By squaring it, sir.
No, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. We know that A minus B the whole square can be written as A plus B the whole square minus 4AB. Can we write this?
Sir. Correct.
Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A plus B substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. What is A plus B?
2M root AB by N whole
square. Correct? Minus 4AB. Is that okay?
Sir.
Okay. Square ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 4M square AB divided by N square is equal to 4AB. Sorry. Minus 4AB.
Sir.
ನೋಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೋಡಿ. If anything which I can just remove and simplify it further.
LCM have to take, sir, and 4AB can be taken common.
Okay. What is the LCM actually? N square one ನಿಮಿಷ LCM ತಗೊಳ್ಳಾ 4M square AB minus 4N square AB divided by N square. That's okay?
Yes, sir.
4AB common ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡಲಾಗದ್ರೆ?
Sir.
What is the remaining?
M square minus N square by N square.
What is this actually?
A minus B the whole square.
So what happens to A minus B agadre?
Root of
Yeah.
it becomes 2 root AB in yes, sir.
That's fine.
Sir.
Neha, idu A plus B, idu A minus B.
Okay, sir.
So how can I find out A and B?
Subtracting them.
Okay,
Or
so
adding them.
this as equation 2. What happens if I consider 1 plus 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
B ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, sir.
Plus B minus B cancel ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Left hand side ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2A ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
Sir.
Right. So 2M into root of AB divided by N plus 2 into root of AB root of M square minus N square divided by N. Now just think, can I cancel 2 from both sides?
Yes, sir.
So what is the simplest form I can just draw? Can I take root of AB outside?
Even N, sir.
Even N also? So the remaining ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ.
M plus root AB. No,
root AB ಬಂದಾಯ್ತಮ್ಮ.
M square minus N square.
This is A value. What else I want?
B value.
So I'll continue. Okay, once again, students, I will just briefly explain once again. You first note down the arithmetic mean and geometric mean of A and B. They have given the ratio of arithmetic mean and geometric mean as m by n. Simplify, find out A plus B by using this, call it as equation 1. See, the whole concept is to find out A and B. And I already know A plus B. By knowing A plus B, I can construct A minus B by using this concept. So A minus B will look like this. See, I've already said you have to finally find A and B only, right? So add 1 and 2, B cancels. Okay, you can find out A value. Now the next step, I can go and find out the value of B. Okay, make a note till here. I will continue the remaining. Hope you're writing, and I think I can continue the remaining part. The next ಏನilla ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 plus 2 ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ, next 1 minus 2 ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, so that I can find the value of B. So we got the value of A and B. Now finally take the ratio of these two. You will get the required answer. So when you take the ratio of these two, root of AB and root of ABN cancel agutte. So m plus root of m square minus n square is to m minus root of m square minus n square. And that's the required answer. Please finish it and type the next number 20 if you're finished writing this. Please type 20 everybody. Ellaru type madilla, I'm waiting. Okay, so start mana. Gagandeep, are you present today? Gagandeep, you know type manala antara. Gagandeep, are you present?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Gagandeep, what's the statement of the next one, man?
Sir, ABC are in AP, sir.
Amele?
BCD are in GP.
Okay.
And reciprocals of CDE are in AP, sir.
Right. Yen prove madbekappa finally?
Sir, we should prove that ACE are in GP, sir.
Right. So prove mana?
Yes, sir.
Okay, pa. First, tell me what is the condition given? One by one solve marta hona.
Yes, sir.
What's the first condition given?
Sir, ABC are in AP, sir.
So what do you mean by ABC are in AP?
Sir, 2B is equal to A plus C, sir.
So this says that 2B is equal to A plus C. Equation 1 anta call mana. Next one.
Sir, BCD are in GP.
BCD are in GP. So if these are in GP,
C square is equal to BD.
Fine. Let me take this as equation 2. One more.
Sir, 1 by C, 1 by D, and 1 by E are in AP, sir.
So if these three numbers are in AP, adra?
2 by D is equal to E plus C by 1 by C plus 1 by E. Yes, sir.
That's fine, right?
Yes, sir.
So let me just call this as equation number 3. Yen prove madbek helapa?
Sir, we should prove ACE are in GP, sir.
ACE are in GP. What do you mean by these three numbers are in GP? Yavag sadhya?
C square is equal to AE.
So Gagandeep, give me some idea, man. How to start this?
Sir,
ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ. The final condition idu C square equal to AC ಬರಬೇಕು. So ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಹೇಳಿ. How to start this?
Sir, ಅದೇ ಸರ್ 1 2 substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್.
1 2 substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Okay, right. Yes, Mr. Stalin, any hint for this one?
Sir, first we'll solve 1 and 2, sir. Then we'll solve 2 and 3. Then we'll solve 1 and 3. Then we'll get it.
ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು equations ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರಾ? Okay. Is there any simple method, man? Can you just please observe and tell me?
Sir, we have to prove BD is equal to AE, sir.
Yeah. So ಹೇಳಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? Okay, now look here. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಒಂದು simple condition ಇದೆ. Okay. From 1, what is the value of B?
A plus C by 2.
ಇರ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ. Okay. And from 2, ಇದು from 1. From 2, can you find out D value?
C square by D. B.
What is C square by B?
Sir, C square by...
What's the problem, Gagandeep?
Sir, C square means we should substitute A plus C by 2.
First ನೋಡಿ ಸರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Sir.
Then now tell me, I will substitute this B value here.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, D is equal to C square by B. B is A plus C by 2. Or
Yes,
this
sir.
will be 2C square by A plus C.
Yes, sir.
Now let me substitute this D in equation number 3. That's okay?
Okay, sir.
Final intention is Gagandeep. Equation number 3. D eliminate ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. Final required term CAE ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
Sir.
So B ನೂ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, D ನೂ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. So I should eliminate B and D.
Okay, sir.
That is why this drama is being done.
Okay, sir.
You'll be wondering why this has to be done. Why exactly this way? Quite simple. For me, in the last thing, okay, I need the terms A, E, C. I don't want B, I don't want D. Somehow I should eliminate these two.
Okay.
So that's why these things are performed. Okay. Now if I substitute D in equation 3, 2 divided by D. D is C square divided by A plus C by 2. And that will be equal to 2C square by A plus C. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
One second.
No, sir.
No, one second. I went wrong. Okay, 2C square by A plus C. And the right side is 1 by C plus 1 by E. That's fine, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now 2 get cancels.
Yes, sir.
This can be written as A plus C by C square.
Yes, sir.
Shall I take LCM?
Yes, sir.
What happens here?
E plus C.
E plus
C.
C. Correct now? Can I
Yes,
cancel
sir.
1 power of C?
Yes, sir.
Cross multiply. AE plus CE is equal to CE plus C square. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Can I cancel these two?
Yes, sir.
Then what's the final remaining thing?
C square is equal to E.
That's okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is to everybody. Okay. So finally, you have to keep in mind, my final thing should contain only C, A, E. B and D should be eliminated. So that's how the thing should be carried on like this one. Okay. Note down. Not just this, Neha. Unmute.
Sir.
Not just, are you thinking that only this problem is interesting, Anta?
Allah, sir, AP, GP, again AP and again
AP, GP, Allah. Once you have to analyze the problems of miscellaneous.
Okay, sir.
ನಾವು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ AP GP ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಕಲಿಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ ಮಿಸ್ಲೇನಿಯಸ್ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನೇನೋ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಮಿಸ್ಲೇನಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟಫ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಮಿಸ್ಲೇನಿಯಸ್, ನೋ, ಎಸ್, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಮಿಸ್ಲೇನಿಯಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಈಗ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ನ ಇನ್ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನ ಇನ್ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಫುಲ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾರಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ಸಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಯಾರ್ಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಯಾರ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದಿರೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Otherwise, I should say sorry for them.
Sir, ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಬಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ while solving the question.
First time you are going through this, not just you. Okay, ಬೇರೆ most of them ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನೇ ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸಾರಿ, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Let me ask. Okay, let me see what is their opinion actually. Now tell me honestly, students, how many of you think that I'm completely understanding everything? Just tell me, how many of you are completely understanding everything?
Sir, ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಪಾಟೀಲ್. ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಇದು ನಾನು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ವೇ? ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡಿ ನನಗೆ.
ನೋ ಸರ್.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸರ್.
ರೇ ಪಾಟೀಲ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು, ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹಾ, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಲಿನ್, hope you understood this now.
Understood, sir.
So quite simple, Stalin. So after this now, the moment you sit and practice.
Yes.
See, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? ಹಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕುತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಇದೇ ತರ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then only you will be able to understand. Not right now. ಮಿಸ್ಲೇನಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ತಲೆ ಹೊಡೆದು. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮಿಸ್ಲೇನಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಲಿನ್, ಯು ಮಿಸ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮೆನಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. Did you recover and did you make the notes and did you complete everything over videos?
No sir.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸರ್? Right. So first you make sure you will complete those.
Yes sir. More 2-3 videos are there. I'll finish it.
No, that's what. First you complete those missing class videos. Okay. Then learn. Right now ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು. I won't say no. ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay sir.
Okay, all of you done, right?
Yes sir.
Okay, mention the next number. Mention fast. Okay, Samruddh, come up. Unmute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now problem number 21 ಅಲ್ಲಿ first one ಹೇಳು.
If 5 plus 55 plus 555.
Remember this has already been done in the regular class?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Remember.
Okay, so 21 ಅಲ್ಲಿ first one, okay, S ಅನ್ನೋದು ತಗೊಬಿಡ್ಲಾ?
Yes, sir.
55 plus 555 and so on, correct?
Yes, sir.
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ ಇದನ್ನ?
Sir, 5 common ತಗೊಂಡು 1 plus
5 common ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. So this will be 1 plus 11 plus 111 and so on, correct?
Yes, sir.
So ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀಯಪ್ಪ ಇದನ್ನ?
Sir, multiply and divide by 9.
So this is going to be 99 plus 999, correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this will be 5 by 9. Okay, ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿ.
Sir, 10 minus 1, 10
Exactly.
square minus 1.
10 square minus 1 plus
10 cube
minus 1 and so on, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 5 by 9 multiplied by 10 plus 10
Plus
square,
10
so on
square
up to
plus
10 to the power.
10 to the power n.
Correct now? Because n number
Yes,
of
sir.
terms ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes,
ಆಮೇಲೆ minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. How many minus 1s you are adding?
n minus 1s.
So minus 1 into n ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದನ್ನ?
Yes, sir.
What is this?
Sir, is sum of in terms of a GP.
It's a GP.
Yes, sir. GP.
Right. Okay. So 5 by 9 multiplied by, okay, a into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r minus n. What is a value?
10.
Right. ಆಮೇಲೆ 1 minus
1 minus
10 to the power n
by 1 minus 10.
1 minus 10, correct?
Sir, yes, sir.
Minus n. That's okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 5 by 9. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡಿ.
Yes, sir.
ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. So what's the remaining?
Yes. 10n minus 1.
10 by 9 into 10 to the power n minus 1, correct?
Yes, sir.
Minus
n.
Actually 5 by 9 ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? So
yes, sir.
You should maintain one more bracket ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
So last ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 by 9 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now there is one correction in the B, part B. All of you note down. Part B ಅಲ್ಲಿ first term 6 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 6 ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು 0.6 ಅದು. All of you make this correction. 0.6 plus 0.66 plus 0.666 and so on. Okay? Make a note of this. Part B ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸ್ಟಾಲಿನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೇನ್ರಿ? ನೀವು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ದಿನ ಯಾಕೆ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು?
ಸರ್, ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ನೋ ಸರ್. ಜೊತೆಗೆ
So maths will be given least importance.
No sir, for the coming GT this chapter is not there no sir. So I thought of completing physics and
yeah sir, I understood completely. Okay, complete this.
ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಜಿಟಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟವ್ರೆ? ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್
ಸರ್. ಈಗ ನಾ ಒಂದು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
Now tell me,
easy alla sir.
What is the formula of A union B the whole
easy ಇಲ್ಲ easy alla sir ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. Means why did you give that chapter? ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿ. You people will go out of touch with the subject or the chapter which has been done earlier. ತುಂಬಾ ಮುಂಚೆ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 years ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದೇನ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಜೊತೆ ಟಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಂಗ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಚ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ, ಒಕೇಶನಲಿ ದ ಓಲ್ಡರ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಅವಾಗವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನೀವೇ ಓದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ನೀವೇ ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಓದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅವಾಗ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಅದನ್ನ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಆ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ನ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಹೋಪ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಷಣ್ಮುಖ್ ಅಭಿರಾಮ್.
Yes sir, if I asked any wrong question I'm sorry sir.
What man?
If I asked any wrong question I'm sorry sir.
If you have any?
If I asked any wrong question I'm sorry.
Illa Shanmukh, I think you are taken it in a wrong way.
No sir, I just told that if I asked in the wrong way, so I'm sorry.
Personally, you are taken it in a wrong way.
No sir, I didn't take it personally. I just told that.
Listen. I advised you actually. You asked me, sir, why the set theory has been included. And I gave an explanation why we do this procedure actually. And you're telling sorry. That shows you have taken it in a different way.
No, sir. No, sir. I just thought I asked any wrong question.
Shanmugh,
So
no, you have the rights to ask anything, Shanmugh.
Okay.
Right. There is no problem at all if you're asking me. But at the same time, when we give a reply for that one, that is a suggestion from our side actually. Okay, you asked me, I gave an answer. Then what is the meaning of asking sorry? What is the meaning?
Thought if I asked any wrong question to you, or sir,
No.
sorry.
See, when will we say sorry?
I have done any mistake.
You think you have done a mistake? Did I say it's a mistake?
No, sir, you didn't.
Then why are you taking it in that way? It's simple.
Okay.
You asked me something, I gave a reply.
Okay, sir.
Take it easily, no?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Okay.
Yes, sir.
That was the explanation why the earlier chapter was included for the coming PT. That's it. Nothing else.
Yes, sir.
So take it easy, man. Huh? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. In this first part, I have done it. Second part, you people have to do. Okay. Who will do this? Akshara, would you like to explain the next one, Akshara?
Okay, sir.
Okay, start, Madi.
0.6
plus 0.66
0.66
plus 0.666 and so on. Right? You are getting.
Yes, sir. Sir,
I have to take outside.
0.6 common, sir.
0.6 madam. 6 common tagad
Okay, sir.
6 common tagadre idenayto 0.1.
0.1 plus
0.11. Will this be 0.111 and so on?
Yes, sir.
Right. So hege baritar helige. What will you do next step? Multiply and divide by 9. Ade concept hai. So 6 by 9. Amele 0.9 plus
0.99
plus
0.999
and so on. Right?
Yes, sir.
0.9 hege baritira?
10 by
Illa. Nodi. Is it okay?
Okay, okay, sir. Okay,
is it okay now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. 0.9 inna 1 minus 0.1 anta baribodalva?
Yes, sir.
0.1 inna 1 by 10 anta barkolla?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me the next thing hagadre. 1 minus 1 by 10 square barkolla? 1 minus 1 by 2. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. It's
okay. Iವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many ones you are adding? N number of ones are added. ಏನಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? 1 into n ಅಂತ ಬರಿಲಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಈಗ next minus common ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 square plus 1 by 10 cube and so on. That's okay?
Yes, sir.
So 6 by 9 multiplied by n minus. Is this a GP?
Yes, sir.
Of course, it's a GP. What's the formula to find out sum of n terms of a GP?
1 by 10, 1 by yes, sir.
Yes, that's okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Akshara. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 6 by 9 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಗೀತು ಆನ್ಸರ್. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So all of you complete, please. And Mr. Stalin. ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
By evening, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sir.
Why you didn't get the time?
ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
Hey, ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಇತ್ತು ತಾನೇನ್ರಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸು?
ಅದು ಫ್ರೀ ಇತ್ತು ಸರ್, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಲಸ.
ಏನ್ರಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮನೇಲಿ ನೀವು?
ಸರ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಮುಗ್ದೋಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ. No, I'm just curious about that method ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
I'll do it and I'll show you.
I'm a little bit somberi. I don't want to solve it.
Yes, sir. I'm also like that.
ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ತರ ನೀವು ಆಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ನಾವು ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಷನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೋಂಬೇರಿಗಳಾಗ್ತಿದೀವಿ. So you don't become like that one. You have to still come a long way.
Yes, sir.
To be like us.
Yes.
Yeah, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದು ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾಲಿನ್. ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗೆ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದೆ. ಹೂ ಸ್ಟಾಲಿನ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ನೋ. ಒಂದು A4 ಸೈಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಒಬ್ರು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಲಿನ್? And that day you only said, sir, I'm little bit lazy about writing, sir, anta. Correct, no?
ನಾಟ್ ಲೇಜಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್, ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ನನ್ಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನೀನು. ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಏನೇ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ನಾನು ಇದೇ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೀನು. ಓಕೆ?
ನೋ ಸರ್, ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಸರ್, ವೆಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್
ಸರ್. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ 11th 12th ಎರಡು ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? ನಾವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ? ಬರೀ
ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಚ್ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಟಚ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅಂತ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ನಮ್ದೇ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಯು ಫಾಲೋ ಅಸ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Okay, so all of you take care. We'll meet tomorrow and we'll continue this remaining. Got it?